Hello, welcome to Crewe Audi. Today we have the Audi A3 Sportback Black Edition. The car's got the LED headlights with the daytime running LEDs, with the front headlight washer jets and the front and rear parking sensors. At the side of the vehicle we have the 18-inch 10-spoke design alloy wheels, with the black styling on the surrounds of the windows and the mirror covers, with the privacy glass from the B-pillar backwards, with the LED backlights with the dynamic sweep indicators, with the twin polished chrome exhausts. Now this is an Audi used approved vehicle, so you will get the 145-point check, a remainder of the manufacturer's warranty and a remainder of the manufacturer's roadside assistance. Moving to the front of the vehicle, the car has the heated exterior mirrors with the Bang & Olufsen Sound System with the Illuminated S-Line entry strip, S-Line front sports seats with the S-Line embossed logo in the leather with the black cloth inserts, automatic headlights and wipers with a flat bottom perforated steering wheel which is multifunctional with cruise control, Audi's MMI display with navigation, dual digital climate control front heated seats, a 6-speed manual gearbox with the electronic handbrake and auto hold assist. Now if you'd like any more information on this Audi A3, if you'd like to contact us here at Crewe Audi on 01270 50 70 70, thank you for watching.